G.eath and a for when you go so amushe. Munyaba nana ama owusa enge ebre area etrise de ekoba ewe my Ghana muno. But the betu dra say wa wo share so betimi enya bibi ebo mu. Na efi na no ada memina da ebetu dra say Bishop Nyarko, former Kumawood actor, watwa nananom ewo nsiedo no ensem bebre na epie efri ni wo no echi. Ebi ka say stomach cancer ena emani efi atasifo asase so asofo so omode omho agimu no eso kire se ye wo mu korade enim ewo ne hawo ni mu no mu se ato yare bi ena wo bi ato ewo Kumawood industry no mu ede ama papa na ma no etimi ewu entempa no esa na ni miemu no ni wo no ebeto dwa no Kumawood actors and actresses in the biemu no the whole industry no mobile out to express grief, especially omo no etai enante anaso omo no wo eyonkofa no na dodo na metimi aboso yellow win ya dabo any Christian Awuni and woman do marero ebetu dwa se obi ehun se onpa omu su omu dia rewo na lo we mo dia ndi omu record video ne ya dabo omu record video te se wo mo tire wi ase fana nia ne se ade no ahwe omu aye omu rewo sempa abomu biti ama wo musu te se nisu akasa ena wo musu wo video no ma Ghana fo wo bi ebi mu esubo mu na ebi so te se kegum te se mu ma fe chekra twabo wo mu na ni niemu no utimi se other Kumawood stars no so ebi ka se Kumawood die se ade se na industry no mute no te se obi anu a otene ewo Kumawood industry te se na yehu om stars a yehu om ya elo guys om te se yehu om so mi om tene ama om ye pepepe ama no eyesa na om te ebi ka se nyatwom sempa de ye ka be bia nyatwom ewo pa de Kumawood industry wi nyatwom film a enye ye entimi te se entimi nsi o se ekuo wo bia mpa obi asem na so yehu anu ye srehwe wanim ye twen asem to a na afa de ye de yehu agim na ase de enimo ama ye benwa ama ye dowa ama sa eno wo de ye Bishop Nyarko asisi ano we fi atasfo asasinti afei no wo maba outer wo mbesu atura rohu a de na de dada na wote ase no moment mi anda sa wodo no edi anchre no na ni yemu no ebi na yekasa ebi su esu na na mabra kwa on live telecast no wodi abrobo efa eye ensemwe na we ena eye one Kumawood actress ono so agidin pa ye ka Kumawood a wono so betimi atam esini na so eye Maame Serwaa ebiem se sa friend Clara Benson wode ya betu dwa se wono pa de wono wondi Ghana for any Kumawood actors ni actress ni bi wo makeka kikechi emeye nipa bone for because Bishop Nyarko so ka se won do papa na eye atropa na wo twa enu nti wode ni eye ni Instagram ni poster da ho no asesa kra de eye Bishop Nyarko na ato na biem so atwata se he Ghana ha se no anase bibi man nko de enti a wobi wu a wote se wobi a eche no do de enti a wobi a eka no asem obi a eka sempa efa no ho ne se enye se yedofun enye se ye pe se obi enwu anse de ni aba no ho so na de enti a ye de san no eche se ye be se owo no enka ense ye nia no ye betimi ewu abrebia mu ye betimi ato ye ni nti se ye show bi enunyam na se ye elogize obi anase do ye celebrate obi after the death eno nkyere se ye hypocrite anase ye twa atro ana ye nya atwom anase ye hwehwenim for dabi eno nkyere sa wo deeper meaning ye se nka ye be focus wo ha na enko obi abetumi aba out abegrivi ye freely on fe hu enka because dodo na na adewe esin aye omoya na so eye arehompo metime di obedwom kwampo no wo mutimi endi arewo aye se o marewo kwampo maka che because of nipa akika wo meka ede atra wo mechi anasa mo so enu nti na amankofo ode wo mo arewo academy no pa de so obi beka se o ye nyatwum anasa obi beka se o nyatwum krampo a wono wo bekoso a esu eye Bishop Nyarko no biem so betimi bekoso a celebrate because owo de who celebrate obi a wewu a eka wo se ababa ye boy eye da na ebenya no obi enu obekire bo e wo assassin so obi a be film sa enu nti na wono celebrate eye Bishop Nyarko after ni wu a wewu no na ne nsema wodi etu dwa no say na abayo no eka no esify o say we don't pose the dead because We don't post the dead to prove we love them. We only post people when they die because we are scared and we want to remind each other all we got is us. All that pride and pushing people away because of prestige. We post the dead because we want to remind ourselves we are all equal. Famous people die, unknown people die, all manner of people die. We sometimes post famous people even though we don't know them personally because we still share their photos because we want to remind each other we are all equal. But it doesn't have to end in a blink of an eye. Days and weeks will go by and we'll forget about the dead and we'll start acting heartless towards people. What a crazy world we live in. We need to keep reminding ourselves that we are all we got. Until also and sema or the to a journey. Nagana for when it said and somewhere walking there or washeda pa and was selecting a num asem and I will be able to know what say what is shady a year if you are door any a year and cophobia so one more bad on Tebeka say gun had ye fake lovers will be a hypocrite. Aju will be a one sana ya chen or door and suddenly you posted the pictures I can want some papa ewo bedroom no quality as a pad and what pie except for the manager said you the man pad and now will be a fin because he said will be and don't have a Maame Serwaa I prompted a man I didn't say me to that say and yet say ye ain't tom entry a don't picture to a brown witch na e kaye nyama wo mu wechi na futu omuwo no ka betimi afa wo mu a ebebo yankase ababo enkaye bia yetimi enya omuwo echi no enunti ena ya ye post on pictures and say ye tro mu do ewo wechi na nipa de ewiase we yetim de ye crazy word ewo Maame Serwaa ne kasa ye mo say crazy word ade no ye no for some days some weeks and some months penny ye refi ni asa go back to our normal source and intina ebi betimi aka say natural na say hypocrite but nipa so no sa na tie arefu we so ye refi nyama entemtem areho ne ba sesi ade a ye ne ebedi areho ne bi nanso ebre kakra be mu pe o no obi arefi fa no hu biem so obo ne bra carelessly de oye no bia no on sheda enwo so wo bi aba mate say aye na areho am aye futuo e wona bra bom na we na Ghana for kasa efa ye Maame Serwaa post mo ko for kasa abawe no najum edo pan and some of the two the najum edo because o heta na nkofo bi kasa crowd to so ade no kra asho mo ebi wo kra pa nkofo ye ni mo krampo abrofo aye ni mo eye Kobe Bryant krampo ni wo kra Ghana for dodo na ye ni mo ye nim no personally but the pictures are post here krampo to say and you say ye hypocrite and I say ye hwenima de bi but eye odo eye nkaye bia owo ediba nipa daseni so enti na ye post the pictures no ye posting kofo dodo bia ye nhede enimo na say ene omo ni twaka bia pictures ebra omowu eno nche say wo mowu ntie nya atwa na say ye nhwehwe ni ba owo de eye de ye nkaye eye de eda amansan komates wo bibie nu a wo betena wiase achirebo ewo ha say wo bia ebe follow ewo owo atwede so eno ntie ye serve as nkaye edema ye ekenya yankasa ye hu eti ye kase ye celebrate obi owu a and say in the face ni ye celebrate say ye de so owu and say ya fe ni ebe ye nhwehwe ni ade bi afa wona eye nkaye na owo no de ba no eno enema ye tu sa anamo na ye de owo pictures eno wo mo enwo sem etuja ewo sa kwan no so ebi so ka say Maame Serwaa so wa join eye nhwehwe squad on ba ku ti asi so say am pass no we wadanfo na wu ni say o nipa odo na enka obetimi acho no wodo e wo kwan sunku bi so enu de mu fa ntudwa so mu cho no odo se mu celebrating de wote ati de man fa ntudwa da mo anka obedwem ama obi ante wo kakra mu ka omumu mo acha ma na ewuwi afi na mo chro odo fake no nte no so de fata ebi mindful de musuban se na musuban te no sa na da ete mudofu aju obi ewu anse no hu se odo bi ewo bebi e ma so nka kunu nte be ya ntwa so nye njai kra nye sakra yesuban eno Maame kinka eye enkofo bi age ntwe wo de abeto dwa ewo ha se we efi Anthony Roxon or say Maame Serwaa, you are right. Definitely death is a reminder for all humanity that definitely we will all live one by one from this earth. No one will live forever. Even the Son of God did not live forever on this earth. So all of us will leave this earth. Thank you for your words. We so Edia Wadiaba Efi Benedict and also Edia Wadiaba say, look here, sister, please stop showing this fake love. All this fakeness from the industry is getting up to the neck of Ghanaians. we were not even aware of what was going on, and you people were so close to him as you claim, and you knew everything that was happening in his life, yet you didn't even lift up a finger to help him, or even encourage him, or even try at least to do something about the situation. And here you are saying a lot about the dead man. Let the dead be allowed to rest in peace. We so edia or about to say we dey ebufo ewo mu kakra. Peter so ensem or dey abetujo saying, R.I.P. Bishop Bernard Nyarko. I still can't believe though that you are dead. But as to what Clara Benson, Maame Serwaa said, it is very true. Death is a constant reminder to humanity that we should always check our character and learn to be more humble, because after all, we will all die one day. Also, Edia, what they are about to do, so one day, Maame Serwaa, dream pass, say, wo, Kaya Shonko Emma or Jasenia, what Sibia, it's unsaid, Edia, will be able, and to win part of the wound, sit Mao Brown was say, as we Mao Esha when you're year, at Mao ye by dream, but as a wee be crampa, what do I dream at home, because you say, Edia, won't you bore ever if you ask him, Ubewu, and to wood day, and no eto to a dream, a year a dear, ever choir, a sefata, so. Wait, dear, I'm a day at was so Effie Vivian, also a dear, about it, Maame Serwaa, Maame Serwaa and ya all are fake lovers. You show fake love for fake reasons, all for the hype. You just know that this man is the center of attention for now. His death is the center of attention for now, so you are hyping it for more posts, for more views and likes. Please stop all that you are doing. It is just fake love you people are showing. Already, when they say, Instagram page, what's the Sunday? Instagram picture, Edia Bishop Bernard Nyarko, Maame Serwaa Sunday, Bishop Bernard Nyarko picture no. Nima de kwa enomoye because bro tears wodini birthday wo ye be extreme book campa. One more to say one whole DP and I say one whole pages for him. And nti sabia we win mo eno mesada ma na enya tomasem enomoye na industry for ne on the waka obi aso say obi a ewo industry na hwehwenim na one more no. We dey amidi etwa to Efi Gideon and also Edia or about say, well, I think I am learning something from this post that Maame Serwaa has laid here. Well, it is so touching in the first place, but yes, though death is a reminder to humanity, we always forget in the little time right after the real situation has happened, because really humanity will never change until Jesus Christ has come to revenge on the earth. That is what I also have to say. Also idea whatever to also or the accord a Bible mu say say Maame Serwaa whatever to just wo see celebrity ko fana say the on pictures to ho ka ma ka ya mu say de yesu ye bewu ni bi no no kwamom was akwan no so nan so na nipa akoye I refer be pa enche akoye say we bi no me bi e de mu see ye ene watchna 1 week 1 month bon adwun we be we trim sa obi owo de ebenyo owo ye say now so within that month span no na month no ebetwem no and say 1 year bi betwem no na aye arefia sem kra no obi abon ne brasa no pe obi aye de ope ewiase sa na ese sa na nipa jasani ni suban esitie enu nti age bra nyankopon ne ba Jesus Christ we sa na be wiase no no agasa abe ye ne we wa be judgment e was so as ewiase so there sa nipa suwe de enyanko ye ntebe wo assassin to sa na ya boy sa so na dan no ye be ye no nto no de a wo de actual to no no ebutia for ensem no de so na ebobo ba se ade obia sema woka obia de a wo ye ade bia ejina ede ama Bishop Bernard Nyarko enkwa because esi anu wono ne de na koya robosem akoya sem kese a esi ewo Ghana ha se nnuemu ne ye kai ebusuafo ewo mpaibom mu na ebiem so ye hye wo mo ben no so enkran eden a wo mo ben na no mbesu no to mo ye nyaatwemo so mo ye hwehwani mu omo si ade ato wani a se ye hye mo kwa ye mbo omo ne nanfofo ne ma waje omo che no Ghana fo sabre eni betimi a kire wo mo odo enu nti ye mbo ye homode ne ye nche omo do se ye do papa na nkasa se ne ye ka ene se ne ye di arho esifa na ene ye nkan ne mba waje wo kire ye nkan ne busuafo ewo mpaibom ni na ebiem so no ye nhye wo mo enkran aha ene me ebe me kwan am di dwumedi no esi na me ka wo se wo comment bia wo fa ensem we no wo betimi e de atodwa e wo tuma gh ye comment section na ebiem so wo betimi a share video we e de ma adofo ebusuafo enamfofo wo bibia wo ben bia no so a share ehu de e koso subscribe se won subscribe ya me din Edna ama owusu makramo
fitani asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much D.eath hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe